Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a bed bug video, and the topic of this is how to avoid bed bugs. Okay, so it says to reduce clutter in your home, to reduce the hiding places for them, vacuum frequently to remove any successful hitchhikers, like any ones that you may have picked up along the way from somewhere, or somebody may have dumped off on you. Vacuum frequently. Be vigilant when using shared laundry facilities. Transport items to be washed in plastic bags. And if you have an active infestation, like if you already have an infestation in your home, use a new bag when you're leaving the laundry facility or wherever you do your clothes. The same bag that you took them in, use a different bag bringing them back home in. And that's what the research show. I'm kind of thinking a little bit about that, because if you're taking bed bugs with you to the laundromat and you're using a different bag, that means you're leaving them there for other people to pick up. It's really hard to not spread these bugs when you're doing certain things like outside of the home. I would suggest, and when they say vacuum frequently, I wouldn't vacuum frequently. I would put the Diatomaceous Earth down, and I would leave that down and let it do what it's supposed to do. If you keep disturbing it, it's not going to have a chance to work. So it needs to be down, it needs to stay down for a period of time. Also, what I would do at the laundry facility, if I had to go to a laundry facility to wash my clothes, I would take some Diatomaceous Earth powder with me. And the bag that I take my clothes out of, I would dump some Diatomaceous Earth down that bag and shake that bag really good and dispose of it, instead of just putting the bag in the trash. That way, if bugs are in the bag somewhere or may have escaped, at least the powder can work and kind of avoid somebody else picking them up to take them home. Diatomaceous Earth is just very important to have, guys. And I kind of lost my train of thought. This was going to be a last but not least. Well, I know what I was going to say. Also, before you wash your clothes, I would dry them first. I would give them a few dries on really high heat to try and kill these bugs before you wash them. So dry them really good, then wash them, then dry them again, because it's the high heat that kills the bugs. I do have a video that I can link to this video. I can link that to this video about bed bugs and them surviving in a wash cycle when you wash your clothes. So yeah, I'm going to have a playlist linked to the video anyway, so you can go through the playlist. But that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.